Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete Discord account permanently. So in order to do this, first of all, open your Discord application on your mobile phone. Now after opening the application, you'll have to scroll right and you will see a list of servers appearing at the left of the screen. Here, you'll have to simply click on your profile icon at the bottom right of the screen and it is going to open up this profile page. Here, click on the gear icon at the top right of the screen and you will see account settings, payment settings, app settings, support and a list of other tools. From these tools, click on account. Now after click on account, it is going to show your username, display name, email, phone, password, security key and other account credentials. Here what you're going to do is simply scroll down at the bottom of this page and you get two options, disable account and delete account under account management. So in order to delete your Discord account permanently, you can click on delete account. If you want to disable it for a temporary period of time, you can disable it and get it back. Now, in order to delete it permanently, click on delete account button and as you can see, in order to delete or disable your account, you must first transfer ownership of all servers that you own. So make sure all the servers that you own has been transferred to someone else. If not, you can simply delete those servers. In order to do that, navigate to home, select the server that you own, then click on that server's name and click on settings. On this page, click on overview, scroll down and click on delete server. Now it will ask you, are you sure you want to delete this server? So click on yes and this server will be deleted. Make sure you do this with all the servers that you own because without transferring the ownership or deleting that server, you won't be able to delete your account. Now after doing this, navigate back to settings, go to account, scroll down, click on delete account again and you will get the option to delete your Discord account permanently. So that's how you delete Discord account permanently. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.